Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll discuss how to identify acids and bases using solvent system method. That is solvent system method. Okay. So there we have a very good question based on this. The question is the salt Br2AsF6 is soluble in BrF3. Is it an acid or base in the solvent? So basically we have solvent as BrF3 and this is the salt BrF2AsF6. Now when this will get dissolved in BrF3, what will be its nature? Will this behave like an acid or base? We have to identify. So in this case what we do basically, we just break the solvent into its ion. So BrF3 we have its auto ionization, that is its auto ionization. What it produces? It will produce BrF2 plus and BrF4 minus. It will produce BrF2 plus and BrF4 minus. Now, if the salt, that is the solute here, this is the solute. If the solute increases the concentration of this cation, then this will behave like an acid, and if this increases the concentration of anion, then it will behave like a base. That is the concept. So what we need to do in this type of question, first we need to break the, we have to do the auto ionization, okay, of the solvent, and then we have to figure out the cation and anion in that. And if the salt is producing the cation, then the salt will be behaving like an acid. And if it is increasing the concentration of anion, then it will behave like a base. Now this is the solute, that is BrF2AsF6. How this will break into ions? Its ionization will give you BrF2 plus and AsF6 minus. Now you can see this is common to the cation. It means the BrF2, it is BrF2 plus concentration is being increased on addition of this salt. So since this is the cation of the solvent, so in this solvent, that is BrF3, the salt BrF2AsF6 behaves like an acid.
So overall what we have studied, if the solute, that is this one, if the solute is increasing the concentration of the cation generated by the solvent, this is the solvent, then this solute will behave like an acid. And if the solute will increase the concentration of the anion, then that solute will behave like a base in that particular solvent. Thank you.